Yeah, listen. She said it felt like waking up to darkness and daylight. Every day's a war, no date nights. And she can't go home, her mama sent her back, telling her it's okay to not fight back. A man is a man, let him have his way, and in time you will see it will be okay. She's trying to sleep but the thoughts won't leave. Now she's grounded and wondering what could this be. So she pleads for mercy and hopes to God she can make it through the night. Hard times still in sight, the road to the future is oh so bleak, but from a distance she can hear the God speak. But she won't cry, you won't find her on the floor. That is not what she was made for. Info, you won't see her die, no lie. Why try with her head in the clouds? She will touch the sky.
Me a be my day. Girl, I been in India. Me a be my day. Girl, I been in India.
He reaches for his pen at 10:15, trying to pen down a verse he wrote down last weekend. But he can't seem to comprehend the fact that his best friend's gone and is left with only one option. In the booth he shows no emotion, it's his diversion from his pain, but the rain still pours. It's an ordinary thing, but he loves to sing songs of memories filled with melodies. The thickest canopies can't hold him down from attaining his destiny. So ready, set, go, it's about to blow. The stage is set, strobe lights in full glow. If you're feeling me, put your hands in the air, wave them all around like you just don't care. Hey y'all, thank you for coming out, thank you for copping the album. It's been my utmost pleasure.
Me a be my day. Girl, I been in India. Me a be my day. Girl, I been in India.
More money, more problems. Now he got a pocket full before the 2 girlfriends. Now he got like 42. He brags to his pals about how he got it made. Wednesdays at the Bay, Thursdays at the Cayenne, sipping on gin, sipping, smoking on trees by the bar for the night. So many things he wanna be, but later that night in his bed he sheds tears. He has it all, but he can't leave past his fears. For years the skeletons pile up, yeah, they still come up, yeah, they will get up. They are a part of him, which means that they stay with him, and there's no running away from his self-esteem. Dear God, not tonight, not today, Lord, I pray take me away from this life. I don't wanna fade away, I don't wanna fade away. Life is not fair to D-Union. It's only a matter of time. Quite wait a lot, Konyin. Yeah. Keko. Swangs Avenue.